Hey everybody, it's Big Dad and the Evengers. Today I want to talk about something that kind of bothers me in our world. That's our court systems. The reason I say it is because, I had court recently and something happened that I really didn't like. But let's go back a little bit. Let me give you some tips about this whole getting pulled over, because I always fight my tickets. I'm telling you, always fight them. When a cop pulls you over, be polite, do what he says, and if you try to call him like about a week later, appeal the ticket, and before the court comes in, the court date, call the officer on the phone, his number's on the ticket, say, listen, blah, 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 I got pulled over by you, I apologize, is there any way you can work out some kind of deal? And 90% of the time, they're going to say, I'll see you at court and we'll talk about it. Get to the courtroom early, pull the cop aside, talk to him. He'll probably give you something called a 3111. Now, don't say to the cop when you get pulled over, hey man, he gave me a 3111, because you know what? That's like a red alert saying, a red flag, he's going to be like, whoa, this guy knows way too much about tickets, and it's not going to happen. And if you are mean to him or you're rude, he's going to write down little letters in the bottom of the ticket, ND. What's that stand for? No deal. Later on, he's looking at the ticket. When you call in, he'll look, let me check your ticket out. He's going to say ND and say, nah, I'm not going to help you, and you're screwed. But anyway, back to my story. I got pulled over one time, I pulled my normal routine, I went for a hearing. I walk in the room thinking to myself, I got a good chance, I'm Big Daddy, I can get away with this crap. I walk in the door, there's the judge and the cop, basically high-fiving each other about the weekend. Right then and there, I was like, I'm screwed. And guess what? I lost the case. Because that's the problem I like. These cops and these judges, they're like in this little clique, okay? You got to figure, say you and your best friend have a party at your house, okay? And your friend will live there, it's just you, it's your house, but your best friend, he's there all the time. Now, one of your other buddies brings along a new guy. We'll call him Steve, right? And this new guy, your best friend says, yo, I just saw Steve going through your drawers. And you approach Steve, and you say, Steve, are you going through my drawers? And Steve's like, no. Would I really do that? I don't even know you. Now, who are you going to take the word of? Steve, the new guy you don't know, or your best friend you know for years? It's a no-brainer. You're going to take the best friend. That's how I feel that judges are with the cops. They're always going to take their side. It's human nature. That's one of my problems. The other problem is, say a judge had a bad night before. Him and his wife got in a fight. You go to court next day, he's miserable. Is he really going to cut you a break? Hell no. No way. Now, flip the coin, he had a great night, him and his wife, a great night together, he got laid, whatever. Now, guess what? He's in a great mood. And now, you know what? Today I'm going to give Big Daddy, I'm going to give you a break. I'm going to not give you that fine. So is that really fair? No, it's not fair. There's so many more scenarios I can go through, but I don't want to, keep going. But you got the idea. So that's my main complaint, is that I think, judges shouldn't have that much power. Even if you go for trial, you did something like a murder, it wasn't your fault, whatever. You're innocent. You're innocent. Something happened. Now, even if you have a trial, it still comes down to what the judge sentenced you. And if he had some kind of scenario that happened to him in his past, like someone got murdered by someone else, it wasn't your fault. He's going to throw the book at you, bro. That's all there is to it. It's just how it is. And that's the part I don't like. That judges are human like we are, and their emotions, ruin and compromise the situation. That's just how it is. So anyway, that's my rant for this week. Okay? If you ever have something ever happened to you like this before, comment down below. Let me know what you think. I got more of these stories. I'm going to start making these videos more about real life situations. What happens that people don't talk about. George Carlin was a genius at this. He would tell stories of things that happened to him that we can understand and relate to. And he was an awesome comic, awesome entertainer. I want to bring that back. Show you things that we have in common. People don't talk about. You're like, yeah, that's right. That is true. And you won't feel alone about it. All right, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Because we're the Evengers. And our mission is to save the web. One view at a time. Till next time. Peace.